Just place a razor blade on the burnt-out LED bulb, and it will work perfectly again. After this tip, you'll never throw away a burnt-out bulb again. This incredible secret was discovered by an electrician who showed me how to fix a bulb very quickly. As you can see, this one is working perfectly. This shows that the socket is on. Now let's take the defective bulb, put it in the same socket, and see what happens. As you can see, it's not working. So I'll remove it from the socket and show you how easy and quick it is to fix a light bulb at home. The first step is to remove the acrylic bulb. And for those who don't know, these are the LEDs of the bulb that work in series. If one of them fails, they all stop working. And when that happens, the big mistake people make is throwing it away to buy a new one. But you don't have to do that. Because with this incredible tip, you can fix more than 5 bulbs in a minute. For this, let's make a tool using tweezers and a bit of electrical tape. Then, we'll know exactly which LED has the problem. As you can see, I'm identifying which LED is burnt out just by touching the sides with the tip. When it lights up, that's the one with the problem. So go ahead and mark it so you don't lose track of it. Once that's done, unplug the bulb so we can fix it. With the help of some tool, remove all the excess from the burnt-out LED. Do this by scraping the surface so that only the contact remains. Next, we're going to need an old razor blade. With the help of a firm and pointed object, let's remove one of the blades. For those who don't know, the blade is an excellent conductor of energy, and it will help us fix the bulb. Now cut a small piece with pliers. Then use a piece of electrical tape that is larger than the size of the burnt-out LED. And then just place the piece of the razor blade that we cut. Then position it directly on top of the contact where we removed the burnt-out LED. And press it down well so that it stays in place. Once that's done, just put it back in the socket and test it. As you can see, it really works, and our light bulb is back to life. Pretty cool, right? After that, just fit the acrylic bulb back on, and it's ready to use. Now let's see you throw away a burnt-out LED bulb again. I'm sure not.